Yes, so how to make your own tin tomato paste from the beginning to the end with just 6 ingredients. Common 6 ingredients wey dey for inside your kitchen oh. And you know one thing about dis tin tomatoes be say you fit use dis tin tomatoes cook any food of your choice. You fit use am cook smoking jollof rice, unsmoking jollof rice, concoction rice, and even dat your red stew you fit use am cook am, my dear. Anything wey dey use tin tomatoes cook for dis life, you fit use dis same tin tomatoes cook am. And you know one thing about dis tin tomatoes say it is free from all those yama chemicals, emulsifiers, preservatives. When those tin tomatoes wey dey for sachet can for market get, it is free from those chemicals. And another good thing about dis tin tomatoes say e dey last. You fit keep am for your freezer inside container as long as 6 months, 7 months, e no go spoil. Now my dear brothers and sisters, shey una don hear say they wan ban tin tomatoes comot from dis country? Yes, they wan ban dis tin tomatoes. Reason because they don confirm say all those tin tomatoes, whether na sachet o, whether na can o, say they get one chemical wey dey dangerous to human health. When they don use, they don put am for inside, they call am preservatives. And these chemicals wey dey for those tin tomatoes, we human beings, we are not supposed to consume am. That is reason why you dey see people dey get cancer o, kidney failure o, liver problem o. So why you go dey use your money dey buy those tin tomatoes for market when you know say those tin tomatoes at the end of the day e go cause you problem? Then why not make your own tin tomatoes? Use these 6 ingredients. What are the 6 ingredients? You need your fresh tin tomatoes, you need your red bell peppers, you need your bay leaf, you need your beetroot, you need your garlic, and you need your carrot. My darling, blend everything together. When you blend and finish, come pour for inside pot. As far as don watch this video reach this point, abeg na wetin una dey wait for? Why can't you just press the subscribe button? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, go to Facebook, go like, go follow my page, go to TikTok and Instagram, like and follow me for more good content. Yes, so my dear brothers and sisters, you guys know I love you so much. Make una no dey use una money go dey buy those yama tin tomatoes. So no go use your money buy wetin go kpai you. Eat healthy, do the necessary thing, and you will thank your body later. And you say this, the thing about this tin tomato, say the thing go do you good. E go do good compared to those one wey you dey buy for market. Like I said before, if na don watch this video reach this end, abeg na don't be stingy na. Just like, drop comment. You see as I dey dance, okay na, I don reach for me to go. And share because so many people need something like this. I love you guys. Okay na, make pan chop am.